Today's video is about men getting their hair weaved or installing hair pieces. Look, I see nothing wrong with the man grooming himself or taking the time out to enhance himself to make himself feel better, look better, whatever. Women do it all the time, so how can we judge? So at the end of every video segment is the creator or barber's information. If you like what they done, if you like the look that they gave their clients, hey, reach out to them, get hooked up, and then let your girl know. I will definitely feature you in the next video. Thanks, and thank you for watching and supporting me.
Honestly, try honesty, no. Just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly, I've got my hopes, but I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Crashed and burned 100 times, I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know. I just can't let you just can't let you know. Can't let you know. I just can't let you.
Kept getting ads on Facebook for wigs and men's weaves, and so I finally broke down and got one. Because I was looking at the picture like, wow, like he looks really good. It looks really realistic. And for 26 bucks, obviously this has got to be worth the money. Right? I mean, it's an ad on Facebook, so obviously it's reputable, right? So it just came in, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here's what it's supposed to look like. I look like Tina Turner.
Let me in or let me go. Honestly, try honesty. No, just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly, I've got my hopes, but I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Been burned 100 times, I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know. I just can't let you know. But I just can't let you know. just can't